Hi, my name is Courtney Conley, and I'm one of the instructional technology coaches for Utica Community Schools. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the new NWEA website. Now, when I say new, I don't want you to be alarmed because although the face of it looks new, all of your platforms that you know underneath to give tests and look for data are exactly the same. So let's click on NWEA and get started and see where we need to go. Once you're logged in, you're going to see here, the home page looks completely different. There are some tutorials on the front page, as well as some toolkits. Obviously, at your leisure, if you are so inclined to look at those, you can. However, I know most of you are going to just want to assign that test. So the way you're going to assign the test is you're going to click at this map growth at the very top of your screen. Once you click on map growth, you are going to go to manage test sessions. Now, once you click that, as you can see, this looks exactly the way it did years past when you assigned the NWEA test. You will find your students to test, you will select your test, exactly the same as you did before. Additionally, if you want to find your reports, you still have the view reports on the left-hand tab. And there you'll be able to access your student reports, class reports, whatever data you were actually looking for. One more piece that's nice is if you were not giving the test and you just wanted to access the data, you can go into map growth as well. And you have some popular reports here, like your class profile, student profile. You can also reach those other reports by clicking the map growth reports at the bottom, and it's going to take you back to that same page that you are familiar with. So again, yes, it looks new and different, but really under the hood, everything is the exact same. Again, if you need any help with NWEA or with any other instructional technology needs, please reach out to your ITC Geeks. We'd be more than happy to come in and work with you, bringing technology into your classroom.